Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer shoes on Dress to Impress. So I'm going to use these slippers here, and I'm just going to color it brown, and I'm going to color that red and then just leave it black. Then I'm going to color these leg warmers. This one, and I'm going to color it green. I'm just going to use the matte one. Then I'm going to use these shoes here, these boots, and I'm going to color it, this one brown, matte actually. I'm going to copy and paste that here. And then this one here, and I'm just going to color this one brown. Then I'm going to use these, and I'm going to color it green. The same as that. And that is it. That is how you can create these Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer shoes on Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.